Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a fenugreek hairspray, and not just that, I'll be using this fenugreek hairspray for 7 days overnight without washing it out to see if it will grow my hair. So all what we need are these two ingredients: fenugreek seed and water. I'll be using warm water in this case. You can use cold water if you want. The only difference is the warmer the water, the faster your hairspray is ready. So all I did was soak 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed into 150 milliliters, which is approximately 5 ounces of water, of warm water. After soaking my fenugreek seed, I did set it aside for about 2 hours 30 minutes. Once you find that your water with the soaked fenugreek seed has a bolder yellowish or gold tint to it, then your fenugreek water is ready. Okay guys, before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you like this video. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, you might want to share with your family and friends because you never know who you'll be giving value to. Fenugreek seeds are seeds of the fenugreek plant, which is native to Europe, Asia, and the Mediterranean. It has been used as an alternative medicine for a very long time in the treatment of ailments like diabetes, dandruff, hair loss, indigestion, inflammations, and skin irritations, and so much more. But today we'll solely focus on its benefits to the hair. Fenugreek seeds are rich in iron and proteins, which are 2 essential nutrients for hair growth. Also, they are rich source of vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, folic acid, potassium, and calcium. Fenugreek seeds are also noted to be rich in antioxidants and possess anti-inflammatory properties, hence their ability to treat dandruff and other scalp irritations. Some of the benefits of fenugreek to the hair are: it makes the hair shiny, it strengthens hair, it promotes hair growth, and it fights dandruff. Okay guys, as you can see, our fenugreek water has that gold tint to it. So we can now strain out our fenugreek seed and transfer our fenugreek water into a spray bottle. You can leave your fenugreek water for up to 4 days in the fridge before it goes bad. Also, you can freeze it or use a preservative, whichever method works for you. I will not be refrigerating my fenugreek water, neither would I be using a preservative. I will have to make a new mixture every 2 days. That's why I made it in a smaller quantity. Guys, it's time to put our fenugreek hairspray to use. So I'll use my pen to mark out the length of my hair on my t-shirt. And under the marking, I'll write either an F, which stands for front, or a B, which stands for back. That way it makes it easy when we want to measure our results. So these little sections of hair I am measuring on my t-shirt before using the fenugreek water are the same sections of hair I will use to measure our results after using the fenugreek water. So sit back and watch how I use this fenugreek hairspray every night before going to bed, even when I feel so sleepy. Guys, it's finally day 7 and I want to share with you a few things I noticed while using this Fenugreek hairspray. First of all, throughout these 7 days my hair was very moisturized. Also, I experienced less shedding as the days went by. And on day 7 I didn't notice any shedded hair. Also, my hair was so soft that I could run my fingers through. Also guys, if you like to check out the waterproof cap I'm using, I got it from Amazon and I'll leave the link down below. Hello beautiful people, yesterday was day 7 of me using fenugreek water on my hair, and today we will be checking if my hair actually grew after using fenugreek water or not. So all I'm going to do is change into the same shirt I wore on the day I started using the fenugreek water. Now it's time to measure our results. Let's do this. Oh my goodness, my hair grew an inch in 7 days. Yes, I'm giving it a victory dance. Let's move to the other part to see if they also grew. Wow, this part also grew an inch. Guys, the third part grew by half an inch. Isn't this amazing? Yes, I'm giving it the victory dance again. Guys, we have just witnessed how fenugreek water grew my hair in 7 days. Just 7 days. So you can imagine what this will do for you if you actually incorporate this into your hair care routine. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with family and friends. Thanks for watching. See you same time next week. Bye.